Hi there, I'm Anna from Astral Hygiene. Today I would like to talk to you about Christmas crackers. So we sell and have sold Christmas crackers over the last 20 years. This year I wanted to talk to you about some of the difficulties with obtaining Christmas crackers and the crackers that we currently have available in our warehouses. So this year, obtaining Christmas crackers, like obtaining everything else, has been a challenge because of the supply chain. We have had supply chain issues across our business, and we have overcome them quite easily through our connections and our position in the marketplace. So this year we have just received our last shipment of crackers. I know we're only in November, but in this business you have to talk about Christmas crackers in September, October, November. So Christmas crackers. So we've just received our last shipment of crackers, and we have these ones. So these are 11-inch Winter's Tale Christmas crackers. They come in a box of 50. They're available on our website. And I will put up a link after this video so that you can have a look at them. They are catering crackers. They come in 50s. But one of the reasons that I've decided to do a video about our Christmas cracker selection this year is because this year, I don't know if anybody has seen the video that I did earlier about Christmas crackers. These crackers, we only sell eco-friendly Christmas crackers moving forward. So these are made from craft paper, recycled and recyclable. The ties on them are made from natural products. They don't have any plastic in them. They do have a hat, a joke, a snap, so a bang when you pull it, and they've got a motto in them. So they've still got all the fun. We've just taken out anything that is bad for the environment or for our planet. So these are entirely biodegradable, eco-friendly, are FSC approved, and they're available in our warehouses just now. As I've said, boxes of 50, we're charging £25 a box. I would expect these to absolutely fly out the door, and then we will be in a position where we probably can't get any more. So that's why I've done this quick video to kind of advertise the fact we have crackers now. They're available. Buy them now before they sell out. Thanks so much.